These children are going to forever have this seared into their memory. It's going to be a fabric of their life, and they're going to have issues coping now and in the future.
4 children who survived being shot at Robb Elementary and their families are now being represented by the law firm of Thomas J. Henry. The initial lawsuit names the estate of the now dead gunman, but Henry says as they discover more evidence, they may ask that more people and groups be held responsible. KENS 5's Sue Kalberg spoke with Henry about his efforts for a lifetime of relief for the badly injured children.
Doing a lot of things quickly as we speak.
Attorney Thomas J. Henry says his firm is gathering evidence related to many aspects of the Uvalde attack, with a lawsuit asking for an initial judgment of more than $100 million.
We were able to learn, for instance, who knew what, when, where before the shooting.
Henry says his 4 young victims, who are only identified by their initials, are all 9 or 10 years old, and they all suffered 1 or more gunshot wounds that may have lifelong implications. Henry says his action is looking at evidence well beyond the shooter, like the performance of law enforcement.
It's just egregious. It's ridiculous. I think that what you're seeing are levels of incompetence that allowed for the lack of a swift, proper response to a person who was known to have an AR-15.
They're also looking at the physical issues like the school building.
You ended up with children being locked in a room against their will with no ability to get out.
Henry, whose firm also represented victims of the 2017 Sutherland Springs church attack that left 26 dead, says he expects this to be a long fight for justice, as that case is still being appealed now. Sue Kalberg, KENS 5.
Now, in the interest of transparency, we wanted to make sure you know the law firm of Thomas J. Henry does advertise with KENS 5.